Hey friends, I am Michael with UpScapers, back with you, coming to you this time from Orlando, Florida. Hey friends, welcome back. We are all finished up here on site, and I think you'll agree we did a pretty good job. Now, I apologize for the lighting, it's getting late in the night, but that's what we got. But I want to show you in particular the pizza up. Now this nice arch here, I think it turned out absolutely wonderful. I think it really makes the room pop, makes the walls pop. This is why you want to get a certified installer though, because something like that isn't easy. It takes some experience, it takes some learning. Shine. Can I get some powder?
Yeah.